This lesson starts with your first solo. The guitar is a wonderful instrument that you could play with people in bands and duets, and it's an instrument that can stand on its own, playing both melody and harmony at the same time. The first solo that you're playing here, as it says, it's a solo arrangement with melody and accompaniment. If you look at the music, it looks a little strange. What we're having here, if we added up all the beats, we'd probably be getting 8 beats per measure. But if you notice, there are stems going down on notes and stems going up, usually on the chords. These are like 2 different staffs. C, E, D, C is one line. The other line is 1, 2, 3, 4, the C chord played on the second beat. The rest on the first beat is for the chord not to be played on the first beat or the third and fourth beats. So the first measure would sound like this. Actually, I played a little more just to get into it. The melody of this piece are the notes with the stems going down, and the accompaniment are the notes and the chords with the stems going up. So listen to the first line, and you can hear where the melody is and where the accompaniment is. Pretty obvious. The chords should be played in time. You know, when playing solo guitar, many people play rubato, and it's okay to play rubato with musical choices and not because of physical choices. Try and play these solos as steady as possible. Maybe you want to slow down a little in places that you feel that need that, but only because you hear it that way and not because you can't play it as fast as you would like to. Those of you who already know chords will be seeing that we're playing many chord forms here: G7, C7, F, F minor, diminished chords. Notice those. The main thing is to hear the melody and hear the pretty chords behind it. It may be your first solo, but Bill always wrote beautiful chord solos. So here is first solo. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are some tricky fingerings in this chord solo. One of them is on the second line, 4th measure. You're playing E with your second finger, and then you're going to get B flat, C, and E. With your 4th finger, you're going to get B flat, which prepares you so that you can play the C with your 3rd finger. So that would be The next line, the last two measures, B flat, and then getting the C sharp with your fourth finger and the E with your third finger. And then getting the B with your second finger and moving the third and fourth fingers up. So those two measures sound and look like this. Then we're back to the C chord. As it says at the bottom of the page, to be sure to hold all the notes for the full time values. How do you do that? That is playing legato. And many times it's planning on how the chord and the note coincide with each other. Let's just talk about the third line that I had just mentioned, the fourth measure, where you have the G, the A, the B flat. Well, when I play that G, I'm already planning and have my fourth finger on the B. So it's already, it's not, it's, and then the next one I play the A, and then I'm already holding F, A, C. And then when I hit the B flat, I'm already playing and fingering those notes as I finger the first note. So this goes, then it's C chord, A minor chord, then I'm playing. So it's many times looking at the full measure and figuring out how you're going to play the chord, fingering that chord, and then playing the bass note.